One of Te Wai's has a lot of, there's lots of different things that are attached to it. Gathering kai, being able to undertake all the activities that are important to us, that we used to do.
Unless the wai has mana, it's no good to us.
Going down to the awa and just putting water over yourself to cleanse, to refresh and rejuvenate, for all those important and different reasons. But the day that you're not able to do that is the day that we've failed. Our waterways, now more so than ever, are being under attack. Yeah. And so we really do have a duty of care to do whatever we need to do to protect our water.
The water is the source of life. Our main river is the Rangitīkei because it stretches right through the middle of Aotearoa, and it or its tributaries flow through every one of the 4 iwi that make up Mōkai Pātea.
Starting from Te Wai here in the southern area of the Rangitīkei, which is Ngāwariki, Ngāti Hauiti, Ngāti Hauiti. Then we had the 3 northern iwi of Mōkai Pātea of Ngāti Whitikaupika, Ngāti Tamakōpiri and Ngāti Hauiti. We were all in a position where we wanted to push forward our environmental aspirations, and I think most importantly we were in a position of preparedness, and we formed ourselves under a collective called Ngā Puna Rau o Rangitīkei, and we sought out to seek further funding, and at that time obviously Te Manoa Te Wai was available for us to apply for. We created a catchment strategy action plan, and in that plan it's basically a 100-year goal, and it outlines where we want to go in the short to medium and long term. And ultimately, we've set some really hefty targets in there. Some of them are going to be challenged to achieve, but if we don't set a target and we don't know where we're heading, then we'll end up going nowhere. We'll go all over the place without a sense of direction. If our focus is not on the well-being, the MAURI of our waterways, then we have to ask our question, what are we doing? We've always said as iwi and as Māori that we're good at looking after our whenua and our water, and allow us the opportunity to do that, and the means and the ways to do that. So when we get given those opportunities, we're trying our hardest to prove that we are good proponents of government funding, or that we can work well with our stakeholders, with our agencies, and they learn to have confidence in us. Definitely the satisfaction you get from your own is really important, because we at the end of the day have a whole lot of iwi members who are looking at us and saying, hey guys, this is what we want, this is how we, this is what we believe you should be doing. And so we've got a lot of expectations to live up to. It's a really good thing because it drives you, motivates you, and it keeps you focused.
The day our fencing teams got going here, finally after months of setting them up, and they were all equipped and they're ready to go to work, and that was a great day for me. I felt satisfied. I went home and had a good sleep that night.
The volunteer days are great days as well, because you're getting people who want to be there for the right reasons, and they're actually grabbing a spade, they're digging, putting a plant in the ground. The real satisfaction is seeing the smiles on the rangatahi that we have with us, with our people, showing them what we're doing and seeing the smiles on their faces. Like I said earlier, capturing the hearts and minds, because the journey for us is making sure they come with us, but ultimately we stay strong to our values, we're very well aware that this journey is a long one, not a short one. There's been so many examples of where I've just felt just so good, where I've been able to just jump back in the truck and just drive home and just think, yeah, it's been a great day.